After we have collected our sensor data, now it's time to begin annotating the dataset. Let's start by opening up the file that we have collected. Now we can see the sensor data. First, we need to create a labeling session, which allows you to version labels that you add to your project. For this project, min-max threshold segmentation will be used. Other segmentation algorithms can be seen from drop-down menu. After you set the parameters, click Done button. To detect the events of interest, click Detect Segmentation button. Segmentation algorithm will run through the selected file and detect the events. For this file, 9 segmentations are detected. First 6 segments are coughing and the last 3 segments are clapping. To label the segments, click Edit and then select appropriate events. When you are finished with the file, click Save Changes button. Any change we have made will be synchronized with the project on SensiML Cloud.